you can get your module and kind of just slide it over and get it into place pretty easily. If you go from underneath, from here, we can put the bolts in and support our amplifier a little bit. All right, underneath, for the front mounting points on the amplifier bracket, our holes aren't threaded here. Some of you may have a threaded mounting point here with factory 8mm bolts in there. Ours did not. Your kit will include some hardware to feed through here, but we're doing something a little different. We're just gonna tap these holes with a self-tapping bolt. So I did one side already, so this side is ready to go. We'll just do the same thing for this side, and you shouldn't have to do this for your install though. And it is aluminum, so it is actually really easy to tap.